How to fix NVIDIA Control Panel display settings are missing or not showing. So if you're only seeing this 3D settings right here, and the display and the video categories are missing or does not exist, here's how to fix it. So first you'll need to right click on the taskbar, open the task manager, go to services, and then click on open services. Now in the services list, you will need to look for NVIDIA services, which are these 3 services right here. Double click on each one. Make sure the startup type is automatic, and if it's not running, click on the start button right here. Now it's currently running, as you can see in the status. Now go to the next service, set it to automatic and start it as well. Then click on apply and OK. Do the next service as well. Set to automatic and start it if it's not already running. Now if these are already running, try to restart them by right clicking and then choose restart right here for all these services. Next you can close out of this and open up the device manager by right clicking on the start button and then choose device manager. Then you want to expand display adapters and select your NVIDIA GPU. Right click on it and choose update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers. And if it didn't find anything, you can try to search for Windows Update or drivers through Windows Update, and make sure to view optional updates and check the box next to any driver related to NVIDIA, and then hit the download and install button. Now once you finish installing that, you should restart your computer. After restarting your computer, you will need to also install or have the NVIDIA app installed on your computer. So first you want to open your browser and search for NVIDIA app, and click on the first link right here, and then click on download now and click on download unverified file. Now once you download this installer, you will need to run it to install the NVIDIA app. And after installing the NVIDIA app, you will need to open it up and then go to the drivers section, and from here select game ready driver and then check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And if it's already installed, try to click the reinstall button to reinstall it again. And when you're done, you will need to basically restart your computer for the second time, and then open up the start menu and search for NVIDIA Control Panel. Right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. And now when you run it, you should be able to see the display category and the video category added, and your missing settings have been fixed. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.